Hello everyone and welcome to this section of our course. Today we're going to be discussing the 5-step process that I have personally done an incredible amount of research with. And the cool thing is this, I myself have been fascinated by accelerated and rapid learning. And so I have gone and done a lot of different research with different individuals, books, and that's what's comprised this whole course, is the knowledge of all of these different books that I've read and personal experiences and everything else. So I've taken all that, condensed it, and put it in 5 simple and easy steps. So here's why I really like a system approach and a 5-step kind of system. First off, 5 steps is simple, it's easy, it's clear, and it's not an overwhelming amount. If I said, you have to do 100 steps, psychologically we would go, oh, that's just a lot of work. 5 steps though, psychologically, we say to ourselves, we can handle that, and you can. Also, this cuts out any of the fluff, okay? This is really going to be compact, concise. We're going to get things done, have you understand how to accelerate your learning, rapid learning, some techniques, some pro tips, and we really keep the course moving and flowing that way as well. And also, a system creates freedom, meaning you really don't have to think too hard on what's going to happen next. It's step 1, you apply that. You learn maybe how to apply it a little bit better with a few pro tips. Okay, then what's next? Step 2. And that right there really helps because when you have that systematic approach, you don't have to think about, all right, what's the next step? Like, now what do I do? It's all laid out there for you. And so that's why I really wanted to discuss how the next part of this course is set up and how you can really benefit from these 5 steps and this process and this systematic approach. So thanks again for watching, and without further ado, we're now going to rock and roll, get started, and get right into the first step in our 5-step process to accelerating your learning